teachers are not cool. Teachers are really bomb blasting. ठीक है?
Never have I ever been logged out of a Zoom meeting because I just did not know what button is.
I was taking a session, so I actually wanted to close breakout sessions, but I ended up like closing the class.
Closing the session.
I never use this function because of this reason only, right?
Never have I ever been overly competitive while playing Ludo.
We all,
Yes.
Very competitive.
yes,
very
it's yeah, exactly.
Never have I ever been pranked upon by a student.
एक बार नहीं, बहुत बार ठीक है, और बहुत लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट है, इसलिए मैं बताना नहीं चाहूंगी, बहुत पहले से बहुत, एंड आई एंजॉय दैट, लाइक आई यूजुअली एंजॉय. मेरे सेक्शन के लोग हैं ना इधर, नहीं ज्यादा नहीं, ठीक है, it shows your active participation in the class, like you know, if you are little creative about it. I'll not say it's very prank, at times it's creativity also. I take it this way.
We used to call this during our PhD days random CP, which we used to call it, right? So you would pick a word and then everybody would start using that word in their CP without the teacher knowing it, right? So we would use WhatsApp to share that word. So I remember once economics class was going on and we picked the word apple. And for the next half an hour, everybody was talking about apples, and the teacher had no clue what was going on.
So never have I ever forwarded good morning messages in family groups.
I have.
Shweta,
That is
I'm sure.
expected. That is expected when you are living away from the family. Then you have to just to tell them that you are alive and okay.
Never have I ever been irritated by one student asking like 100 questions.
Obviously,
Yes, it happens a lot with me, Amit. You know, a lot.
We really don't
Better
feel bad. Yeah, and in fact, you know, if one student asks me 10 questions, if I have sufficient time, actually I enjoy their questions and queries to answer. But sometimes we don't have much time, and again we have to look at the faces of other students also when they are feeling bored, right?
actually,
No,
it
at times,
is not only about questions. It is about the response that sometimes students give after you explain. So I remember in some of my classes, I have had students like when you explain everything, you expect, you know, student nodding and understanding, and then he was
Yes,
like,
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
And
Never have I ever indulged in staff room gossip.
मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं तो ट्रस्ट कर लेती हूँ, कोई किसी के लिए कुछ बोलेगा तो मैं ट्रस्ट कर लेती हूँ, ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए मैं डर के मारे गॉसिप नहीं करती.
Never have I watched children's cartoons and gotten very excited about them.
I love Mowgli in Jungle Book.
always cartoon always.
Doraemon, सारे सब.
I have.
I think all of us.
I'm sorry to say this, I don't have anybody, but I'm going through it on my own. Because I'm really anime freak, like animation though is wonderful.
Never have I ever cried watching Pursuit of Happiness or any other movie for that matter.
Right. You know, somehow it's weird. If I'm in the company of other people who are crying, then I would laugh at them. But if I'm sitting alone and watching the movie, then it's a very different story actually.
So that's just bad.
I mean, that's how it is.
Never have I ever been guilty of extending a classroom session for more than 10 minutes.
No, I have been guilty, yes.
I have been,
apologized
always.
for that.
yeah, I feel guilty, but
In fact, in
sometimes-
VC mode.
Never have I ever caught students gossiping about me.
Yeah, I have. But thankfully, it was good gossip, not bad gossip. Yeah.
Never have I ever felt lazy to go to a morning lecture.
Not
Always.
no.
It's unfortunate that I teach at 9 a.m. But Yeah, as a student, it was very different. Yeah.
As a student, that was the worst thing to do because we used to stay up till 4 or 5 in the morning.
Exactly.
But as a teacher, so I am asleep by 11, so I'm okay.
Okay. So now we all know that this online thing is something that none of us were prepared for, right? It's just come upon us. So how are the teachers feeling? Like, we know the student side of it, that we like, how are we feeling? But then we would like to know how are the teachers feeling about it, and like what would you want to say?
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Other thing can be the coordination. I would not say control. The coordination is very less. So you are free to switch off your video and all those things.
Let's talk about how your first class went with students. Like that first time when you were presenting yourself as a teacher or a professor. Would you like to just tell us something about that class?
I was very nervous in my first class. So actually I forgot after entering the class who am I and what I am talking. So what happened that actually I taught almost 2 class material in 1 class. And either I was in too much hurry or I don't know, but it happened in that way. But yeah, slowly.
I started my deliberations in the class by asking them as to why they have picked up this course and what are their expectations. I could see that there is a match between what I have to offer and what the takers really want.
So the thing is, yes, I was very nervous. Of course, first class, that too, IIMs. I guess I slept only 2 hours the previous night, and I was really, I would say nervous, yeah, to an extent. But yeah, it actually went good. I mean, at least, I just felt that okay, I can handle the class. Is what was my feeling. And yeah, I am growing in the whole process. So.
Never have I ever cried or felt really bad while parting with a batch or with some specific student.
Yet to go through that situation.
Really cried, but yes, felt bad.
I do feel. At times, after 5, 6 years, 7 years, they call you, they write you mail, and they wish you on Teachers Day just out of you haven't forgot. I have forgotten that. Then it brings you tear. ऐसा तो कुछ तो होता है और उस समय भी होता है कुछ तो होता है.
Yeah, it's the first murder is always memorable. Like when murder.
The first batch that you have done.
That is how I see it. Yeah, the first murder I may have done that is memorable. I may have felt very emotionally attached. But when I have become so used to doing it, now I don't feel the pain. Maybe not that much.
Let's say after 5 years, 6 years long, if somebody remembers me and he calls me back, I will really, feel good and all that, right?
Akriti, as I said that when you start teaching, the initial batches are very dear because they are almost like your friends. But yes, after every batch, especially with the students that you have worked very closely with, you feel very special when they contact you even after they have graduated. Akriti, you should have asked the question instead of have you cried when you part your ways with any batch? But there is a very common thing that have you cried after any class that didn't go well?
Have you?
Especially after seeing the grades.
Thank you so much, teachers, for all your efforts. Wish you a
Happy Teachers Day!